It's a good time to practice what we have been discussing. We're looking at a diagram which is looking quite complicated, and this is a typical diagram you'll get in the exams and so on. So you must be able to look at the diagram and try to identify specific figures that you can make sense of. Let's look at the first question. It says, write down the exterior angle of ABCD. ABCD, I'm going to trace this ABCD so that we can all see it. This is ABCD. Now, what I need to do is to look at the extension of the side of ABCD. Now, look at all the sides. You can see that the side CD seems to be extended in some way, and it seems to be the only one that is extended. So if you look carefully, you will see that there is an extension this way and there is another extension that way. So for me, the exterior angle will be angle C1. So angle C1 will be my first exterior angle, and also I see another angle which is an exterior angle here. Also, I see angle D4 plus 5 being an exterior angle as a result of extending the side CD as it is a straight line. So these are the two angles that I've seen because that's the only side that is extended. Is B1 not an exterior angle? No, it is not formed by the extension of any of the sides. In fact, there is no other exterior angle that I can see because no other side is extended in the same way as CD. The second question says, if B3 is equal to L. Now let's look at that so that we know what we're talking about. This is L and this is B3. If B3 is equal to L, write down C1 in terms of K1. Now, what does this mean? If B3 is equal to L, I am noticing it will mean that this particular quadrilateral is a cyclic quad. So the quadrilateral LKBC will be a cyclic quad if B3 is equal to L. So I'm going to write that down, that if B3 equals to angle L, what does it imply? It implies that LKBC is a cyclic quad, is cyclic. That's what it tells me. So every rule of a cyclic quad, every theorem of a cyclic quad will then apply. So the question says I must write C1 in terms of K1. Now what do I do there? I say therefore it will mean that C1 plus K1, they are equal to 180 degrees. And how do I conclude that? Because this is a cyclic quad and therefore opposite angles are supplementary, and therefore C1 will be equal to 180 degrees minus K1. And this is exactly what I'm looking for. I've got C1 in terms of K1. So it's important that you try to take these theorems into the diagrams and try to see the theorems, because it is the theorems that are going to help you answer the questions that you get. It is not how complicated the diagram is, but it is what you identify, and wherever possible, get different colored pens. Make sure you highlight a specific quadrilateral or a specific angle or a specific line that is parallel to another, making sure that you can see what is going on. And I think it's going to make your life very easy. We're going to discuss more of the cyclic quadrilaterals when we do proving of cyclic quadrilaterals. Here we're just introducing you to the theorems and how to practice to see these theorems in diagrams.